All right, this is my project to create and install pfSense in a virtual machine in VirtualBox. So the first step that we're going to do is open up VirtualBox and create a new machine. We're just going to call it pfSense and give it the BSD type under FreeSB version. I'm going to go ahead and give it a gigabyte of RAM. Just do all the default settings for a virtual machine. I'll go ahead and give it like 10 gigs, I guess, something like that. All right, and before we want to start up and load it and everything, we want to enable 2 different network adapters because pfSense requires 2 network adapters. All right, and the internal network, we're going to call it CTS 289 net. All right, and another thing that we need to do is we need to get it to load the pfSense ISO file. So, all right, and now that we've got that, we can go ahead and start it up, install it, and load it and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and capture the keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and boot multi-user, assuming that we're going to use multiple computers on this thing. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit I to bring us to the installer. And we're just going to accept the default settings. Easy install. Okay. And this is going to take a while, so we can go ahead and skip this next part. All right, okay, now that we're at this screen, we can just go ahead and install the standard kernel, and this will take a little bit longer, so we can skip it again. All right, and now that we've set up everything and installed pfSense, it needs to reboot, so we're just gonna go ahead and reboot. All right, we're back here. I'm gonna go ahead and boot multi-user. All right, now we're at the main pfSense screen. We can see our IP information, our WAN and LAN information. We've also got all kinds of options that we can do, or anything that we can do. All right, and that's how you install pfSense on a virtual machine.